Hi! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up event tracking on your website using metapixel. Proper event tracking ensures your AdsGo campaigns can measure conversions and optimize ad performance accurately. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install, set up, and test events so your AdsGo campaigns track the right actions. First, let's identify the metapixel installed on your website. This is the foundation for setting up event tracking correctly. Use the extension to locate your pixel ID on your website. Take note of the pixel ID exactly as it appears. Pixel names are case sensitive. Once you've confirmed your pixel ID, the next step is to access Meta's Event Manager to manage your pixel and events. First, go to business.facebook.com. Then, select Event Manager. Click Expand if not visible. Navigate to Ads Manager. Select the corresponding account. All tools. Ads Event Manager to access your pixel. Now that we are in the pixel management interface, we can start adding events to track user interactions on your site. In Event Manager, go to your dataset. Click Add Events. Enter your website URL and click Add Event to start tracking. With the Add Events to open, you can assign specific events to buttons or other actions on your website. Click Track New Button. Select the button you want to track and assign an event name. For example, click Metapixel, Start Free Trial, Start Trial. For purchase buttons like Subscribe, assign Purchase as the event type and set the corresponding value parameter for conversion tracking. Once setup is complete, make sure to click Finish. After setting up your events, it's important to verify they work correctly before finishing the setup. Go to Test Events in Event Manager. Select from your website. Enter your website URL, click Test Event. Verify that the events trigger correctly. You should see a green dot or notification in Event Manager. Once the events trigger correctly, we can complete the setup and review them in the Overview tab. You can now view all tracked events and corresponding AdsGo ad performance in the Overview tab. That's it. By setting up proper event tracking, you ensure your website data flows correctly into AdsGo, allowing accurate conversion tracking and better ad optimization. Remember, consistent and accurate pixel tracking is key to making the most of AdsGo AI optimization.